Hello, everyone, and welcome to episode 37 of Form Guru series by MakeForms. I am Pratik, founder of MakeForms, and today we are going to take a look at form portals. So, what exactly are form portals? So, let's say today you are using a lot of forms, okay? So, what you will do is that you will create a list of all those forms, and maybe you will put it out in an Excel sheet, and then whenever someone wants to fill out the form, you will take that particular link from your Excel sheet, search for it, and then send it to your person who wants to fill out that form. So we at MakeForms thought that there needs to be a different way to do that, and so we have launched something called as form portals. So what is form portals? Form portals is nothing but, as the name suggests, it's a portal where you will list all your forms. So now, rather than talking much, let's quickly jump into action and see how you can create your own form portals. So here in the left hand side, you will see this option that says form portal. So I will click that. So if you do not have your form portal created, you will get this message at the first where it says create your first form portal. So it says say goodbye to the hassle of searching for form links each time. With a form portal, you can effortlessly create and organize all your forms in one centralized location. So I will click on setup form portal, and as soon as do that, you can see that the first thing it asks me for is the portal name. So I will say um, Form Guru series, okay? And then it says to upload a form portal image. So I will quickly upload one of the form portals that we have created, the form portal form guru image. So I will select this image, then you will upload your form portal logo. So I will go in, and for now I will use this icon. I will use it for my form portal logo as well as the fav icon. Now within the form portal, you can also add links that come up at the top. So let's say I want to add an icon for support. So let's say this is my help desk. I would say support, or let's say I can also name it as help. Or else let's do this. For help, we will say mail to, let's send them to our Jira help desk. So I just send them to help.makeforms.io. Then you can add a few more icons. So I will add, let's say, one more icon for docs. Mm, this can be our docs icon. Docs. So I can do MakeForms .io/docs. We will also add it here. Now, what it asks us to do is to select all the forms that you want in a particular form portal. Now, remember, you can create unlimited number of form portals. There is no restriction on the form portals that you can create. So let's say you are an organization and you want to create multiple form departments for every multiple form portals for every department. For example, the HR team wants to create four different form portals. One may be for the onboarding, the second one may be for the people who are exiting the organization. So even within the departments, they can also create multiple form portals. So there is no limit on the number of form portals you can create. So let's say I would do select these folders, forms. Now, if you have organized your forms in folders, then you will also get the list of all the folders in the left hand side. I will give you a demo of this as soon as we are done with publishing our first form portal. We will have to move certain forms to folders. Now, if you can see, the last option that we have is the option to publish our form portal. So since we have not connected our custom domain and we are in the EU data center, the domain name will be eu.frms.link, and the portal will have p slash the portal URL. If you are publishing on frms.link, then you cannot select the slug. But if you connect your custom domain, then you can definitely publish the form portal on your own domain name. So now let's quickly hit save. Okay, and you can see that our first form portal is successfully published. Now all you have to do is you click this link and you will see that our form portal is now rendered. Okay, so we have the image that we selected as the header image, our logo, our favicon at the top. Then these are the two links that we have created. So when I click it, the user will be taken to that particular link. These are all the forms that we have selected. If the user searches, let's say for date, this particular thing will come up. The user can click the QR code, and the QR code will be presented to him, so he can go ahead and start scanning the QR code. And if he wants to visit the form right away, he can click this and he will be taken to the form. Now what we will do is that within our forms, let's do this. Let's create two different folders. I will name them as folder 2 and folder 3. Okay, so let's go in and move couple of forms into a folder. Okay, let's also take these ones and move it to folder 3. And now let's go to form portal and try to edit this form portal. So now you can see that we also have the folders over here. Now, if you select a folder, then all the particular forms in that particular folder will be selected. And if you want to go in and only select certain forms from particular folder, then you can do that also. If you select the tick mark in front of the folder, then all the forms in that particular folder will be selected. You can also use the all to select all the forms in that folder. So this is how we can organize our forms into folders and then go into each folder and select the forms that we want to show on our form portal. If you have connected your custom domain, then you can always click here to update the URL. But again, since we are on eu.frms.link, we won't be able to update our URL. So I will just click this and I will save this, and this will update our form portal. Now I will once again click and visit our form portal, and now you will be able to see that all the folders that we have had selected while creating a form portal have also been taken into consideration here, and the user can click on the folders and move between the folders on the form portal also. So if let's say you have a use case like the one that we just discussed about, which was about the HR, he wants to finish the form onboarding formalities for certain people, then they can create them inside folders and the user can navigate to that particular folder and load all the forms in that folder. So that is all about the form portals in MakeForms. Again, this is very unique to MakeForms. You won't find this anywhere because we are thinking of the use cases that you might need while creating your forms, and so you are seeing so many amazing features within MakeForms. As always, I will ask you to please like, share, subscribe, comment. That's definitely for everyone who is watching these videos. But please, I want you guys to reply back to me, like let me know in the comments below as to what exactly are you looking while creating your forms, and I will try my best to incorporate them in the future videos. So that's it, guys. Signing off. Pratik here from MakeForms. Thank you.